In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore ribbon in Outlook. If the top toolbar in Outlook suddenly disappeared or shrank to just a row of tab names, you're looking at the ribbon being hidden or minimized. The ribbon is the strip of buttons like New Email, Reply, Send, Receive, and more. Bringing it back takes only a moment and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Outlook window where you normally read or compose mail. The steps are the same whether you're in your inbox or viewing a message, and you don't need any special permissions. Now shift your eyes to the very top right corner of the Outlook window. This is the area near the minimize, maximize, and close buttons. You should see a small icon called Ribbon Display Options. It typically looks like a rectangle with a small arrow, indicating how the ribbon is shown. It's easy to overlook because it sits flush with the window frame, so take a moment to find it. Click that Ribbon Display Options icon. When you do, a small menu opens with choices for how the ribbon is displayed. You'll usually see options like Auto Hide Ribbon, which conceals everything, Show Tabs, which shows only the tab names, and Show Tabs and Commands, which displays the full set of buttons and groups under each tab. Choose Show Tabs and Commands. This is the setting that restores the full ribbon so you can see all your tools at a glance. The moment you select it, the ribbon expands across the top of Outlook, revealing commands under tabs like Home, Send, Receive, View, and more. That's exactly what most people expect to see during day-to-day email work. At this point, the full ribbon should be visible again. If you previously found yourself clicking a tab and seeing commands appear only temporarily, this change stops that behavior and keeps everything in view. It also makes it faster to format messages, manage folders, and access calendar or contacts features without extra clicks. Remember, this menu controls only how the ribbon is displayed, not what's on it. You're simply choosing to show the tools all the time, and if your screen space is limited, you can revisit the same icon later to pick a more compact view. That's it, your Outlook ribbon is now restored and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more efficient Outlook experience.